In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the folder history on Google Drive. This is a simple yet powerful feature in Google Drive that can be incredibly useful if you're trying to track changes or find previous versions of your files and folders. With just a few clicks, you can look back at the history of your documents and see all the modifications that have been made over time, as well as know who made them. So, let's dive into it and learn how you can view the folder history step by step. First, you need to access your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. You'll need to ensure you're signed into your Google account using your credentials to gain full access to your Drive. Once you're logged in and see the main screen, you're ready to proceed. Now take a moment to locate the folder or file for which you would like to view the history. Once you have found it, move your cursor to that specific file or folder and right-click it. A context menu will appear. This menu offers several options that you can perform on the selected item. Hover over the option that says File Information. While the menu is still open, you'll notice a further set of options. Here, you need to click on Details. This will open a panel on the right hand side of the screen. The Details section provides a summary of information about your file or folder. Within this panel, you'll see various tabs on the top. What you want to do next is click on the tab that says Activity. This is where the magic happens. The Activity tab offers a comprehensive history of all activities related to the selected file or folder. You'll see a timeline of actions, including when files were created, edited, or shared, and by whom. This can be extraordinarily beneficial if you're working in a team setting or want to ensure you're up to speed with the latest edits and changes. As a final tip, remember that understanding and using the folder history feature can be essential for keeping track of collaborative projects, ensuring that your files remain up to date, and even recovering previous versions if needed. It's a great way to ensure transparency and accountability in your work, and there you have it. Now you know how to view the folder history on Google Drive with ease. Whether you're managing complex projects or simply keeping track of personal documents, this feature will provide you with the insights you need. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy exploring!